The Constitution of India. Part 5, The Union. Chapter 4. The Union Judiciary. Article 143. Power of President, to consult Supreme Court. 1. If at any time, it appears to the President, that a question of law or fact has arisen, or is likely to arise, which is of such a nature and of such public importance, that it is expedient to obtain the opinion of the Supreme Court upon it, he may refer the question to that court for consideration. And the court may, after such hearing as it thinks fit, report to the President its opinion thereon. 2. The President may, notwithstanding anything in the proviso to Article 131, refer a dispute, of the kind mentioned in the said proviso to the Supreme Court, for opinion. And the Supreme Court shall, after such hearing as it thinks fit, report to the President its opinion thereon.